gentlemen, welcome to the F&G Show.
The F&G Show. Over
a glass of wine.
Almost cracked the glass, didn't I?
Still ain't got that ting like yours, man.
I know. It's got to be those oblong glasses with the big bowl of it. That's probably why. Or maybe we're supposed to hit it down here at the bottom of the glass.
You trying to break it. That's what you're trying to do. But ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the F&G Show. You know, we do a lot of different type of videos, but this particular video we have for you this evening, or morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching.
Right.
I'll let Frank take it away, because this is his thing. Go ahead, Frank.
Well, you going to let me tell the joke first?
I gotta do it. Go ahead, man. Tell a joke. he got to tell a joke. It's supposed to be something healthy and nutritional. He won't crack jokes. Go on and tell a joke.
Can a ghost be gay?
I guess. I don't know. Well, you said, can a ghost be gay?
Well,
the ghost is dead, though. If the ghost is dead, he can't be nothing.
He can't be gay? Well, you know, somebody said, boo.
I got one question for Frank. What is the hand price? What is that? Boo. Oh, man.
Oh, I just had to get that in.
Only Frank, ladies and gentlemen. Only Frank. It's F&G Show. Frank and Gary here. I guess we're giving you some humor.
We got to have some humor.
Talking about gay ghosts.
And also, people always think that our show, when I introduce people to our show, like and share everyone,
and
comment, they think that the show, that when we say it, it sounds like a cuss word. F and G.
Yes, but it's the original Frank and Gary show. That's what it's all about. Got the newly retired Frank. And I'm still working.
He's still working. I decided to hang up my spurs.
I decided to follow Jesus. I've decided. No,
he had one too many glasses already.
Hey, we telling jokes, we doing all this, but what the video is really about is health and nutrition. What do we got, Frank?
So it's called Soursop bitters. And I had been debating about taking this for a while. It's from Serene Herbs.
Serene.
Oh, he wants to go French on me. Okay. Serene Herbs, but Serene Herbs. And we're not getting any kickbacks for promoting this guy's stuff. But, you know, I decided to take it. And I had taken it for about I've been taking it for about a year, maybe a little bit less than a year. And it does send you to the bathroom, ladies and gentlemen.
You ain't saying nothing about that, ladies and gentlemen.
It is good for digestion and calms your stomach. Now, on Instagram, that's where I found it. They will say to you that it will reduce your belly fat, but it really doesn't. It just keeps you regular. You know, everybody knows that belly fat won't go nowhere unless you stop eating or pushing away the plate or pushing away the table. And that's how you lose your belly fat. So I found this stuff to be good for regularity. And I'm going to be taking it for the rest of my life. He just got a bottle. He's going to try it soon.
This is my bottle.
Mm-hmm.
That costs about $300. No, but basically, this is a taste test video for you.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you said, how do you know this is working for you? What did it do? Did you already say what it do for you?
Yeah. So, for me, everybody's body's different, but for me, you're thinking to go to the bathroom every day, but you won't. But then when you do have to go to the bathroom, you'll have a big release. When you go to the bathroom. And you may have more than one during that day. So, you know, my aunt used to call them, you'll have a big BM.
Y'all know, all these years, Frank in his 60s, and never knew what BM stood for.
I did not. I really didn't, y'all.
What do you think it stood for?
I thought it was a slang term, BM, but you told me what it meant.
You remember?
Bowel evacuation.
How is it BM? And you talking about bowel evacuation?
Oh,
Bowel evacuation. See, that's what happens when you know too much. You put too much into it. If it's BM, well, how we come up with bowel evacuation?
bowel movement. And I didn't put the two together. I promise y'all, I'm not that slow.
Anyway, basically, we're going to get to this thing here. So, move this glass of wine out the way. I don't know if it mixed. That's why I didn't really want to drink too much of it. But it says on the bottle to drink
2 tablespoons.
Mm-hmm. And this is a tablespoon, so I'm going to do 2 of these.
Now, he's got the berry flavor.
I got to shake it?
Yeah, shake it. Real good. He's got the berry flavor. Now, the original flavor with no fruit in it is tough to go down. But if you don't like to take it straight, like some people like their vodka or whatever, you could put a little juice, just a little juice.
You know I always got to smell it.
Or juice, and it smells good, don't it?
Heck no, man. What is the soursop
I smell it
anyway?
from here.
Yes, and
It is soursop is a fruit.
Ain't no kind of fruit I know of.
The original version without the fruit flavor is really tough to swallow.
All right, this is the first one.
Mm-hmm. He gonna like it because it's berry flavor. No, it's like a spoon.
Yeah.
What's that from Mary Poppins?
Spoonful of sugar,
And it
make the medicine go down.
and makes the medicine go down.
Well, we need some sugar in this.
You need some juice.
I think from now on, this is the only time I'm gonna try stuff like this because it is very bitter.
That's why it's called Soursop bitters. But you do taste the berries, don't you?
It smell of berries.
I smelled the berries when you opened it.
Got me shaking, man.
Old guys in here trying to have bowel movements, BMs.
If y'all watching this gonna be you soon. If you're younger than us. I must say, Idiara doesn't taste good at all.
But it does the work. It does the job.
We'll see.
And then he gonna wash it down with some wine. It's supposed to be a glass of water.
You ain't saving no glass of water.
You can drink. Yeah, you're supposed to have some water with it, but you know.
How you gonna give me half the instructions?
You can drink the water later. It'll be all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go drink my own glass of water now, and we'll do a follow-up video after a few weeks to see if my gray hair turns black.
Yeah.
If my hair grow back on my head. I'll
Right.
let you know.
And I had a colonoscopy recently, and I didn't have any polyps. And I've tried to figure out what was the reason why I didn't have any more polyps, because all the previous years I had polyps. And the only reason I could tell you that I didn't have any polyps is because of serene herbs. Went in there in that colon and blew everything up, even the polyps.
This is gonna be good for what you call like facelifts and face tightening.
Why you say that?
I'm trying to stop making this face, but it got my face frozen like this. I can't stop making this face.
Really?
Am I gonna walk around like this all day now?
No, I don't think so. You see, you should have took it with the juice first.
Now you tell. First it was water, now it's juice. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we got for you. Let me go get up out of here. Let me go get some water.
Yes.
Get this nasty taste out of my mouth.
But it works.
We shall see. You got anything else, man?
No. If you got polyps, get you some Soursop bitters.
Oh, man, polyps. I think you just like saying the word polyps.
Check with your doctor. I'm not giving him medical advice, but I'm telling you what it did for me.
Y'all better not listen to us for no medical advice.
And please don't take Lysol and Lysol Light and put it up your rectum to get rid of COVID. You know, you heard that before.
Making up stuff. We're going to get out of here before we make up some other stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the F&G show.
The F&G. show over a glass of wine. Let's see who do this. That don't sound right.
A little bit, but not right. We'll see you guys next time.